We also encourage those who are out there in the diaspora who want to invest back home, that such groups are available. And as I said, GHELA can enable them to save from wherever they are, and then they can be able to make investments. So we are 15 in number, and we'll believe that we'll probably grow maybe into the future into many more members. Since that we came together recently and put our resources together under the umbrella of GHELA. And our sole purpose is to be able to put up homes which will provide homes, just as you all know that we have a big shortage of homes in this country. And our focus is basically those probably who are starting in life and are looking for a single good home that is decent, that can be able to accommodate them and maybe their families as they start up. And so the reason why we are here today is to break the ground and also have an opportunity to give thanks to the Lord for enabling us to be able to do this. And we are very happy as a team because this is a dream come true. We only started this as a concept a few months ago, but today this concept is coming to fruition, and we are very, very grateful for everybody who has made it possible for us to be able to get this far.
So here we are assembled in GWAKA constituency, groups between 10 and 100 people. We call them clusters. In a cluster, for every 1 shilling a cluster puts together, Jago Foundation is able to give them 2 extra shillings. So they have got 3 shillings and they have got a whole 3 years to pay. This particular project of housing, it is by far, I mean, these are our biggest. I think congratulations to the Bazi. These are our biggest project so far. And the good thing is that it's a very good example because it has been started by very young people. So I really congratulate this group, and it's a good example and a good model, because going forward it means those people out there who say they don't have jobs, this is the time. In short, Ribazi came together, 15 of them. They contributed 261,000 shillings, made it 4 million, and they were able to apply for 12 million. So already they have 12 million. They have planned to do 40 units of bed sitters in this place. And if you listen to me, you know that she has been a beehive of activity on housing, because Gashi houses people who work in Nairobi. And what we have done is that we have also we have decided to do low-cost housing. It has got a return on investment of about 4 years. So that means the rest 13 years, they'll be having extra income. This extra income is coming to almost 40.1 million shillings. So with the investment of 261,000 shillings, these people have earned themselves 40.1 million shillings. These are the kind of things you're saying, that do not see and look at yourself like you cannot do anything. If you come together, you can do a lot of things, you can move very far. My idea as a governor of Kiambu, and again I appeal to people of Kiambu to give me this seat, because I have ideas, I have got dream, I have got vision for this county, and the idea is, with these kind of projects, we can ensure that